Hello, this is Attorney Zoe, the Managing Attorney at Zhang-Louie PLC. Today I want to share an approval that reminds us why good case preparation does not stop after a petition is filed. So we recently received an approval for an EB3 adjustment of status case that had been pending for quite some time. And along the way, USCIS issued a request for evidence regarding the employer's continuing ability to pay, which is more and more common now considering the long wait time of these cases. Then, after the adjustment of status interview, for our clients, the officer then requested additional information about a new and separate issue that was not covered before he would be able to make a final decision. And at that point, of course, it would be easy to panic, right? Why would they be issuing a second request? Is my case likely going to be denied? So instead, my team and I focused on what USCIS needed. First, we worked closely with the employer to gather updated financial information, and we thoroughly addressed all the questions contained in that first RFE. We also addressed the additional requests that were raised after the interview with clear and well-organized evidence. And that's something that many people don't realize about immigration cases, right? Receiving a RFE doesn't necessarily mean that your case will be denied. Even after the interview, USCIS officers may request for more information and more documents before making a final decision. So take a deep breath. What matters here is how you respond. A strong legal strategy means that understanding exactly what the government is asking for and providing the evidence needed to answer those questions exactly, clearly, and completely. And that's the legal work that we put in. And we're excited to say that this particular client's green card was finally approved. So if you're going through an EB3 process, or if you've received an RFE or another request from USCIS, don't just assume the worst. Sometimes the next step isn't the end of the case, right? It's simply another opportunity to strengthen it. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, share it with someone that may be going through the immigration process. And if you need help building or responding for your own case, we're here to help. Hello, this is